Hello everyone, it's me, Rona. I've just returned from what I hope will be another great design field trip to one of the places that I've been wanting to get to for a while, and I decided to go ahead and make the trip to Washington, D.C. because after all, this channel is about bringing design items and elements, specifically the 7 elements of designs, straight to you from the DMV, which includes Washington, D.C. So traffic was super crazy today, but we got it done. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to provide you with a lot of design inspiration. That's what these videos are all about anyway, in terms of fabrics, furnishings, design services, you name it, you can find it at the Design Center. So I had to make this one of my stops. Today I was able to take a look at multiple design locations because these design houses are all located under one roof, which makes it super special. So you're really in for a treat today. I hope you like today's tour, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the other side of this video. The Washington Design Center is beautifully decorated to give you an overall perspective on each of the 7 elements of design that I talk about in each of my design field trips, based on your style as well as your budget. And to get a copy of the 7 elements of design, click on the links below this video. During this tour, my goal was to highlight a sample of high-end design that you will find throughout the Design Center, which is open only to the trade, meaning you will not be able to just stop by and shop around and pick out a sofa or a lamp without working with an interior designer. Over 90% of what you'll see on this tour is custom design that is created for clients who have a fine eye for design as well as an enormous budget. Much of what you're seeing today can be found throughout the U.S. exclusively in design centers across the country. In fact, the next time you stay in a 3, 4, or 5-star hotel, pay special attention to the lobby. Those are high-impact design areas where a significant amount of their commercial design budget is spent in order to create that wow effect for their clientele. This is one of the reasons why I created my workshop, so that I could further assist my clients in defining the 5 major inputs so that you can decide where and how you will spend the bulk of your budget. Will it be on high-end or medium or affordable end products and services? Once we work together to narrow your focus, we can design and decorate one room, one floor, or your entire home. If you like today's content, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if there is a store or location in the DMV that you would like to see in one of these design tours, feel free to leave that information in the comment section below. One of the benefits to working with a designer who is connected to the trade is that oftentimes we get the 411 on opportunities when, first of all, design centers are open to the public where you're able to come in with an interior designer, and there's also opportunities to find some items that have been deeply discounted, and that's due in part mostly to product updates and seasonal changes. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. I look forward to seeing you in the next design tour.